since March is kind of supposed to be the windy month, you know, we're going to try to make kites out of, first we're going to do is we're going to make a kite out of our pattern blocks on the paper. And then after we do the patterns, we're going to trace them and we can color them in. And then we're going to hang them up on the bulletin board outside. But as we're doing this, we're going to talk about the different attributes of our shapes. For instance, a square has how many sides?
4.
Or how many right angles?
4.
How many vertices?
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. The points where they meet are the vertices. The vertex is 1. Vertice is plural. Vertices means, okay, so a vertex is where the 2 points meet, the 2 corners meet, and then vertices, that's the plural of it. More than 1. So the vertex is where they meet, and vertices is more than 1. Okay? Why do they have 4? Because they meet 1 in this corner, 2 in this corner, 3 in this corner, and 4 in that corner. Okay, triangle would have how many? 3. So a triangle would have 3, which you'd have 3 vertices. How many sides?
3.
Okay. How many angle? All right. How many degrees in I forgot. How many degrees in the square?
4. 0. 60.
Okay. If we have 4 90 degrees, if we have 4 90-degree angles, how many degrees in
360.
360? Okay. Good job. 360. So if we look at a triangle, how many degrees does this triangle? If it won't fit on there like that, but so a triangle has how many degrees in it? Do you remember?
180.
Yes, half of the square 180. Okay? I don't know. That's why I didn't make that rule. So, okay. So what we're gonna do is we'll put a bunch of different shapes together, and then form our kite. And then what we have to do after we form our kite, so I don't know, I'll make it like it's gonna be we gotta make it a fast flyer of some sort, right? So we'll put this and make that like that. We'll put this in the middle there maybe. Why, thank you. So, I can make a kite in any whatever I want to do, but if I have more shapes, I can make them. So that can be my kite. This could be the front of my kite, and this could be the back of my kite. And if I move this over where it was before. So, then what I'm going to have to do, after we do our kite, we're going to have to use our shapes and kind of try to trace around them. Like this to here, this side. And we can fill in the rest of the angles after when we get a ruler or whatever we want to use.
Kristen and Robbie, you guys need to pay attention.
That's good.
And I'm just doing it like real rough draft because we'll fix it up later.
And there's going to be no lunch menus. What they're doing is they're going to base it off of last week's, whatever they ordered. Their
Okay.
numbers, that's what they're going to get.
All right, perfect.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right, see you in a little bit.
All right, see you in a little bit. Thank you. So then we would just trace these. As you can see, it's gonna be hard to do because they're gonna move, but that's just the way it goes. We'll figure it out. There, and then after that, now I just got to finish using my a ruler later, or this. I would put this.
It looks like a weird monster thing with the head.
It does look a little weird, doesn't it? So this is what would end up looking like what it's going to be after I take all my shapes and I put them back on here and I trace,
Why are you doing that?
because now I can make my inside lines that I couldn't make when I was tracing around it.
Oh, you were supposed to do that?
So yeah, so then I would take this one and now I can make the top here of this one, which I already have, and then I can make a line. I'll just use this one to make a straight line across here. Okay, and then here would be another line. And then my whole bottom piece was all the triangles that I have to finish.
All the rhombuses.
Oh, yeah, sorry, not triangles, rhombus size.